Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. My dear students, today in this session we are going to start a new and very interesting chapter which is titled as If I Were You, and that is taken from your book BEEHIVE. Today we will focus on the summary of this chapter. Dear students, there are two main characters in this chapter. One is of Gerard and second is of Intruder. The summary of this chapter starts from the point that Gerard is a cultured playwright. He lives in a small cottage. He does meet many people. He is to go out soon, but before he does so, an intruder enters his cottage. The man who enters in his cottage without the permission of Gerard was a criminal and had a gun in his hand. He bumps accidentally against the table. Gerard welcomes him with confidence. The intruder asks many questions to Gerard. He answers all his questions with wit, irony, and humor. The intruder wanted to murder him and live as Gerard because he looked like Gerard. Gerard at once understood everything. He told the intruder that he was also a murderer. Therefore, the police were after him. Gerard explained that unfortunately one of his men had been caught. He was expecting trouble that night. He then made the intruder understand that it was good for him if he went with him. He also told him that if it was a frame, he could shoot him in the car. The intruder agreed, but when he was about to cross the door, Gerard pushed him into the nearby cupboard. He then slammed it. Thereafter, he telephoned the police for his arrest. Your first question is, my dear students, who was the intruder? Options are a thief, a criminal, a priest, a soldier. The right option is, my dear students, is a criminal. Intruder was a criminal, my dear students. Now, second question, my dear students, and the question is, who did Gerard live with? Options are first, his wife, second, his son, third, his friend, and fourth one is alone. And the right option is, my dear students, Gerard lived alone. Now the third and last question, and the question is, who did the intruder want to get information? And the options are first, Gerard, second, the police, third, himself, and fourth one is all of the above. And the right option is, my dear students, the intruder want to get information from Gerard. Dear students, from page number 139-40, I have given you two questions, extract based, and I request all of you to answer these questions. Okay? Now I hope, my dear students, all of you would have understood the content properly and enjoyed the session. With the hope to meet with all of you very soon. I request all of you to be full of positivity, energy. We will meet very soon. Okay? Thank you, my dear students. Well done.